Welcome to PIERRE Academy. In this video, we'll be demonstrating the setup of the PIERRE Smart Relay. To begin, we power down the system to ensure safe wiring. The upper terminals are for power input, while the lower terminals are for the connected load. First, we connect the neutral wire at the top, followed by the live wire. Then we connect a load device. Most commonly this would be a boiler, but in our case we'll use a light for demonstration. We connect both the live and neutral wires of the light, and then we power up the system. Once powered, we wait a moment for the controller display to fully load. Now that the system is up, go to Menu, tap Settings, then Add Wave I/O and select Find Device. Next, we press and hold the pairing button on the relay until the LED starts blinking. This confirms it's in pairing mode. Within seconds, the device appears on the display. Tap Add Found Device, leave the name as default if desired, then tap Save and Continue, followed by Finish. The Smart Relay now shows up in the system, labeled as a circuit breaker. It may display an icon such as an air conditioner since it can control various loads, and now it's ready to use. We can toggle it directly from the display interface or through the mobile application. It's also easy to set timed schedules, automations, or integrate it with other smart systems. That's it, a quick and simple setup for the PIERRE Smart Relay. Thanks for watching this PIERRE Academy tutorial. See you in the next one.